Are you ready for another home tour? Well, I'm ready to show you this home. I know you're probably thinking, that looks familiar. That looks kind of like the model home at T Farm. Well, yes, it is. This is our Jefferson floor plan, and the exterior looks just like the model. But this family could personalize their home. So let's go inside and see what they did to make their house their home. All right, so first of all, I do love it when they upgrade the door to the glass door. I think it just adds so much character, adds so much light into the home. So whenever I build out here, that is going to be an absolute must. Here we have these beautiful floors. They did upgrade the floors, which I think they turned out beautiful. In the front, they added the bedroom. Now, normally this is just an open space or a flex room, but they made it into a bedroom with a guest bathroom. Here is their dining space. Oh, look at this. I love the fireplace. So we are an electric community, so our fireplace is electric, but I love the marble look that they've done around it. That is beautiful. The open lighting up above, the windows, just makes for such a grand opening of the home. Oh, look at this kitchen. So we do need to do our final clean, so don't hold that against me, but let's look. Okay, so they've got the creamy cabinets. Oh, I love the hood on above. They did a little bit different of a tile back here, so it's the longer and it's staggered. That really is very sharp and classy looking. Oh, who doesn't love a farm sink? Oh, and this is fun. They have the butler pantry. Oh, it looks so nice. They did a great job personalizing this home. They did the extended covered porch. Oh, they have a view of the pond as well, along with the trees. I love that. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what they did up there. I do think that having no carpet on the stairs is great, but they also carried it all the way up into the hallway. The laundry room, of course, comes with the same type of flooring, but I like that the hallway is done. It seems like sometimes the carpet in the hallways and the stairs always gets damaged. Not damaged, that's not the right word, but anyway, there's just carpet marks on it when you have that. Okay, let me go back over here. So you go up the stairs, there is the laundry room, and then there's this great space here. You might think we might be going into the primary, but it's not. It is just a guest bedroom with a bathroom. And here's the primary. And this is just an amazing space. There's just no way you can ever walk into your primary and say, there's not enough room in here, because it is just amazing. Beautiful. I love that they did the little knobs instead of the long brackets by their handles. I like that. Shower. They use the same kind of tile that they used in the kitchen, which I think is great. Beautiful countertop, quartz. I like that they kept the gold. Now this home it's our largest floor plan. It's over almost 3,200 square foot. There's a bedroom downstairs and then 4 more bedrooms upstairs. So here's another bedroom. But the great thing about this is it has a little Jack and Jill. Oh, they did little navy cabinets in here. How cute. So I did show you bedroom number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, I almost forgot. There is a balcony. This is the only floor plan that we have at T Farm that has this balcony. Well, that's the end of our video, and I'm so happy that I was able to share with you this beautiful home that was personalized by these buyers. They were able to pick out their lot, pick out their home, pick out their elevation, their structurals, and then they were able to go to the design studio and just make this house a home. If you are interested in building or buying out here at T Farm, give me a call, send me a text. I would love to help you and make your dream come true. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.